Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Good afternoon, everyone. This message is directly to our Premier, Dr. Phophi Ramathuba, Limpopo Premier. Dr. Phophi Ramathuba and le batho ba ka Limpopo, Polokwane people, itlang mo di comments re tle re boleleng. Gape mosadisho, Premier na shwa re tla ba o re match and match is not welcomed ka moeng Limpopo. Lena le reng? Nna ke ne di questions tse few for our Premier mo gore na ge a re match and match is not welcome ka mo Limpopo. O ra bjang ka Limpopo is not a country. Limpopo ke province ya South Africa. So re ke isolate bjang le di province tse dingwe. So gape Premier re tlhalosetse gore na Limpopo no ya ikema ya tswa mo South Africa ya ikema e ba country yona ka bo yona go ba jwang. And then question ya ka bobedi gore Dr. Phophi Ramathuba o bolela gore match and match a nyakere ka Limpopo re na ka Limpopo re tla ke fixetsa di problems tsa rena. The very same crowd I address ke match and match. So ra bjang a re match and match ka Limpopo a nyakere. Di match tse ka moka di diregileng ka mo Limpopo go thoma ka wa di 8 ka Jack Borders we basadi ba modimo ba bethilwe ka di rubber bullets ba matcha peacefully, but ba feletsa ba betho ka di rubber bullets because ba matcha. Ne le ngwe ya lebaka la gore le ra lenya ke match and match ka Limpopo. Di 30 re bile le di very massive matches tse le di organize ke match and match. So by now tla mo we clickile mo tlhaloganyong ya ga gore match and match gona ka Limpopo and re sa tlo matcha until o ra araba o ja action khatlano le issue ya ma illegal foreigners. So gane bjano Dr. Phophi Ramathuba o raise a issue ngwe ya gore ka mo Limpopo re na le mashangane. I thought tabe re boletše ka yona gore ka Limpopo a rena mashangane re na le batsonga. So yena o bua gape gore re na le mashangane re na le batsonga. So mashangane ke a bafeng batsonga ke ba bafeng. O ska re confuse Phophi, o ska re confuse. Ke ema le Njomana ro ka re thoma gore Phaphela as a country. O ka re thoma gore Phaphela as a country because tabe re boletše ka yona re boletše ka yona. Le di kosha tse di be di opela ke Mazulu ba apologize gore bona they are referring to mashangane ya Mozambique. So lena ba le ema le Dr. Phophi Ramathuba a re na le mashangane le matsonga. Commentang mo le re botse gore na bashangane ke ba fe batsonga ke ba fe because nna re tseba matsonga ka mo South Africa. Le mo di language tsa rena re na le Tsonga re na Sechangane. So Dr. Phophi Ramathuba, don't you think you are causing division ka mo Limpopo? First or match and match a unyakere ka Limpopo. So ra Mazulu they are not welcome ka mo Limpopo because match and match the leader of match and match Jacinta is from KZN. Ga botse ra gore re tlhalosetse re gopela gore Phophi Ramathuba a re tlhalosetse gore ke eng ntwe le gore wa e feka ka mo Limpopo. Remember Phophi Ramathuba, I used to have so much respect for our Premier because tabe ke ena mathomo wa go bolela ka yona gore our health system ya imelwa ke batho ba go tswa Zimbabwe, batho ba go tswa Mozambique, batho ba go tswa Malawi ba ile gore ba tla ka mo South Africa, especially ba thoma ka Limpopo because border e ka Limpopo akere. Then ba tloga ga bo bona motho tloga ga bo a imile a itla ka mo South Africa just to ratla kry di free services tja ka mo South Africa. And o kra re e buima gore motho wa ka mo South Africa a kry mbete ka sepetlele a gone o kry ditlhare batho ba ile gore ba tswa ba etswa ka nageng tja ka ntle ba kry ditlhare ka mo South Africa. You were very vocal gore batho ba ba rematch but go change eng? What changed? Dr. Phophi Ramathuba re tlhalosetse nna ntho e ke tlang ka yona mo go re match and match o amogele go le ka Limpopo. We are marching ka di 30 tsa July. We are marching to your office again. We demand answers. We demand action. Gone are those days little threaten lena di politicians little roboja di emadirile. Gone are those days. We have freedom of expression, renally freedom of protesting, renally freedom ya march, peaceful marches. Just a little peaceful march. So if you are not replying or you are not reacting, habso nyaka setšhaba se dieng or nyaka batho ba Limpopo ba die ba ke tšele molao matsogong. Poppy, rena se ka tlo re phaphela. Limpopo ke one of the provinces ya mo South Africa. So ntho we bolelang ya gore march and march a nyaka ka Limpopo is absolutely rubbish, nonsense. Re tlo matcha and gonna those days to re biletša maphodisa gore ba re bethe ka dirapa bullets. Maphodisa a ka Limpopo, maphodisa South Africa a berekela rena setšhaba. It's within our rights to march, to demand, to picket. Or just because ke nako ya di-election le ya campaign mme Poppy ke nana rona kwa le fedile ANC because a le diele setšhaba selo ge le tšhala le bona naga ye maso naga ye emeletše ka moka gape, so it means a le diele setšhaba selo. So a re hlomphaneng, sona setšhaba seo se disrespectang ke sona se go beileng ka mo officing. So a re hlomphaneng, ke a leboga ba ga gešo. Limpopo re a marcha, we are going to march until Jesus comes if we have to. It's within our rights. It's in the constitution. Thank you.
The issue of March and March is leaving Mzansi divided. 50% of people are standing with March and March, while the other 50% is saying nope. March and March is not that effective. It is actually causing more damage than before, which right now people are calling out Dr. Bobby, which she came out and she was saying that March and March is not welcomed in Limpopo, which this one angered so many people, while others do stand with her. Yes, many people are saying, don't bore us, please. Don't say that. Because yes, I do remember her video. She was actually talking to a lady from Zimbabwe. The lady was at the hospital. She was telling that lady, no, you are actually finishing our resources. You are exhausting our resources, so you don't have to come to the side. And, she was actually against these foreigners. Yes, that's what I know. Like that's what I also know. But she was one of those people that were against these foreigners. I remember the video very well. She even trended by that time. I don't remember the year nicely, but it's not that long. She trended on social media for days, if not for weeks. Okay. And now she's reappearing. She's coming out and saying, nope, I do not stand with that. Which now tells you in these politics, there is so much confusion, there is so much corruption, so many things are going down there. Because why would someone say this today and then come back tomorrow and say, nope? Nah. Even Gayton McKenzie, he also did the very same thing and then resurfaced now saying, nope, I do not stand with this. But anyway, this lady was basically calling out Dr. Poppy to say, you are not going to stop us. We are going to march to your office and we are going to demand answers. Which it does make a lot of sense why so many people are questioning themselves. So many people are calling her out. It's because at first she was standing with this. And then now out of nowhere, she does not stand with this anymore. And she's saying that in Limpopo there is Amachangani, which in South Africa there is no Amachangani, there is Tsonga people. That's what I know. But anyway, guys, please say your thoughts down below in the comment section. What do you think?